Right here I have the ultimate scooter that you're looking for. Hey guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing the SCOOTHOP electric scooter. This has a 350 watt brushless motor. This has a high torque setting and a low torque setting. You can actually switch this between a kickstart and a regular start from a stop. Now this is going to be featured with nice brakes in the front and the rear that are very responsive, and we even get a bell. So we have a nice LCD display on the top that I'm going to show you in a minute. This is also featured with a headlight that's adjustable in the front, and we also get a brake light in the rear. Now this scooter holds up to 331 pounds, making this a great option for most adults. You can fold this up and you can put this in the back of your car, your hatchback, move this in and out of your house. You can take this to work in your office, and it just fits in a small space, which makes this really practical. I love the color on here. We have a nice teal. You can also get this in orange, pink, or black. This is going to be like looked at as their lake blue. It looks like teal to me and it's absolutely amazing. We're going to have a bag holder here. So if you do use this to run errands, you can use this as a bag holder right here in the front. And then that also doubles down as a lock when you are folding this to carry it. This is also going to feature a kickstand. So as you can see, it's just right here rested and doesn't need to be laid down on side, making this really practical as well. And I love this shock that we have in the rear. This is really nice. It makes it great for going over curbs, bumps, or uneven road. You're not going to have anything in the front, but that's fine because most of your weight is going to be in the rear. The handlebars are not adjustable. They're going to be locked in at the same exact spot, which I think is totally fine. I'm 5'11", and it's just an overall good position. So if you are shorter or taller, I think it's absolutely going to be fine and suitable for you. Minimal assembly is required whenever you receive this. You're just going to have to put the handlebars on, which is just 4 screws, unfold it, and it's pretty much ready to go out of the box. Mine was charged up probably like 80%, but it's always a good idea to charge these up to the max charging as soon as you get this, just so you can make sure that you extend the life of this altogether. This is also going to feature 8.5-inch tires, and that's a really good size to conquer curbs, sidewalks, dirt, gravel, anything like that, and it's really nice and wide, and the tire has nice grooves in it. So I'm going to show you how to fold this scooter down. You're just going to want to click the button on the top, pull that out, and then this is going to fold all the way down. You unclick it, and very quick and easy. We have that bag holder that's just going to slide into a little groove there, and then there you go. 44 pounds, but it's evenly distributed, so it doesn't feel really that heavy at all. If you got to use 2 hands, it's not that bad. You can throw this into your car, no problem. Carry this into work, and it makes it an optimal commuter. Whenever you're ready to set this back up, you just got to push that up, fold that up. You want to make sure that black part is going to be disconnected from the teal part, and then you can just push it up and it's going to lock right there. And then you just seal it up with locking the top piece in place, and you're totally locked, loaded, ready to go. I do like how this bar feels very sturdy and high quality. You can tell the metal is very high quality, and it just gives me a lot more confidence riding this just because this feels very, very sturdy and solid. So I know it's going to support me and I feel secure when I'm riding. So taking a look at this, I just love all of the accents on the side. It looks really good. We have a nice wide deck that's going to be really grippy, and you can even put your foot in the back there. Just gives you a little bit more support to have that kind of angle. This is really nice. Holds a bag. To turn it on, we just have a button in the back there. You are going to turn that right on. You're going to have the battery level up top, and we're going to see number 1, that's just going to be the gear. You use these buttons on the side to change, so that's just going to adjust. I think there's only 3. That's going to be like a walking speed, the other one's going to go a little faster, and then 3 is going to be like the sport mode. So you have economy, 2, and then sport is going to be 3. Shows you your miles per hour up on the top, so you can actually change that to kilometers as well. If you click that button again, you can see your miles, and that's going to be your total distance. For me, I've gone 0.3 on my odometer. So I haven't had a whole lot of riding time on this quite yet. I'm still getting used to it, but then that'll be like your trip, so you can reset that and know how far you've gone. But I love this display. It's adjustable too, so you can make sure you get the perfect angle. I can see this in the daytime and night, so I really like that. And then just hold that in and it turns it off real quick and easy. Over here on the side, you're gonna have your lever. So it's just a thumb lever in a very good position as well. It just feels really nice, easy to press down. And again, just feels really secure. Overall, this G1 scooter from SCOOTHOP is absolutely a 10 out of 10 for me. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.